The Viofo A229 Pro firmware update is here. It's version 1.1 underscore 231208. So this is hot off the presses. If you're looking for the links of where these are available, I'm going to leave them down below in the comments. Now, if you don't know how to do a firmware update, I'm going to link my video here as well, which actually gives you step-by-step on how to actually do a firmware update. It's very important that after you do the firmware update, you're also going to want to do the firmware update for the rear camera, because there's both two firmware updates that you can do. And you're going to want to do this because you don't want to have 230928, as I pointed out in my video earlier, or my other videos, sorry, that there was a challenge in parking mode with auto event detection and with time lapse, where they were not locking videos if there was impacts in those modes. Anyways, if you have any questions, please leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers.